We are outside the High Court in Belfast today for Conradh Gaeilge's third judicial review against the executive on their ongoing failure to adopt an Irish language strategy. This time we're also taking the Communities Minister Gordon Lyons as part of these proceedings. Of course, an Irish language strategy was promised in law at St Andrews in 2006. 20 years on, in 2026, that strategy has not been brought to the executive's table yet. We believe that a positive outcome here would mean that the executive get on and adopt a strategy, and moreover that the minister would get a move on and bring the strategy that's largely been ready for the past 2 or 3 years, would bring a final draft of that to the executive table for adoption. This would make a huge difference for the Irish language community and would give us essentially a roadmap and very positive interventions right across the community towards the future direction of the Irish language in coming years. Tá just corner Kirchen you don tríhuair an tríhu opera nu brehunak an shaw modular cas na Gaeilge stratus na Gaeilge darnoi interview shaw an gavlis a sé Tá Drake of Ugnamore Ray, agus Egan Eira, agus an Drocker near Hugshish in Oscor on Eminius Gafoil. The Matarva Dosak, a man Bugin in you, Ganyani, Strata shot differ Suntasak, the Fub on the Gaeilge, and Saked Fihiblian at Tarui.